What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tech by Sulav. Today I'm showing you 5 incredible free AI tools that will completely change how you work in 2026. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get into it. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. This AI assistant can write emails, generate code, draft essays, and even help you brainstorm ideas. It's like having a genius friend available 24/7. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about AI, ChatGPT is the must-have tool. Number 2. Canva. Canva's AI features let you create stunning designs in just seconds. Logos, thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, you name it. No design skills needed at all. Just describe what you want, and Canva builds it for you. Number 3. ElevenLabs. This tool generates ultra-realistic AI voices, perfect for voiceovers, podcasts, and content creation. The quality is absolutely mind-blowing, and you can get started for free. And there's even more. Tools like Midjourney for creating incredible AI art and Runway for AI-powered video editing are completely revolutionizing creativity. The best part? Most of these tools are completely free to get started with. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, drop a comment below telling me which AI tool is your favorite, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.